Well, we have the body off of the frame, sitting on a stand over here. You can see our drive line. We've shown you that in the past, but the body sits on the frame, and it's going to allow us to kind of work around it, underneath it, scuff it, get it ready, and prep it out for etching primer. You can see that the epoxy primer's been done on the cowl. We've shown you that. And now we're starting the DA process on the inside. You can notice a slight change in overall sheen from here to here. Slightly different. This will get paint, and you can see the hard top sides are all on, and we've done the epoxy primer and sealer on the outside, black on the inside, gray, and dovetails well with the body. It's nice to see that. So everything's sitting, waiting to go. More lining up, and scuffing will get this into epoxy primer as well.